Shall I start? Very good. See here, 1 by 4. Okay, remove 1 by 4 from 3 by 4. 1 by 2 na? 3 by 4 is nothing but 75% na? 1 by 4 is 25%. Subtract 25% from 75%, 50%. 50% is nothing but 1 by 2. 7 1 by 2, 9 1 by 2. 7 plus 9, 16 plus half 1. 16 plus 1, 17. If you remove 11 from 17, 6. Your answer is 6. Nana 1 by 4 ni 3 by 4 లోంచి కట్ చేస్తే 1 by 2 మిగులుతుంది. 7 9 16, half 1, total 17. Subtract 11 from 17, that is 6. Are you clear? Next one. 40 13 times. 13 4s are 52. 520 plus 153. Together is 673. Next one. 3 how many times? 521 times minus 497. Difference is 24. Difference is 24. 5 square. First tell me 8 cube, 7 cube, 5 square, 6 square is equal to x na? Are you clear nana? Now tell me. So 30, 36, 25, 61, 60, 61 343, 404, 40. So 404 512. Your answer is 108. Are you ready? 324, 324, 441, 20, 21. That is equal to 13x na? So together is 30. 13 how many times? Your answer is 3. Next one. 400 700. 400 700. 51 89. 140. 140 plus 1100. 1240. Remove 1240. 260. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. So 40. Say for example 19 get cancelled na? Half is nothing but into only. Don't worry about that one. Okay, Nana? So 40% of 100. 40% of 100. 40. 40 into 12. 40 into 12. 480. Otherwise, మీరు 40% of 1900 కనుక్కుని ఎంత వస్తుంది? 760 by 1940 times only na? I got same thing na? 144 is 12 na? 12 into 40. Are you clear na? అలా సర్కస్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Next, are you ready? Now 207 by 9 na? 9 how many times? 23 times. 23 into 11 plus 17. 23 11s are 253 na? 250. 253 plus 17. 270. Your answer is 270. Next Anna. Ready? Look at here. 23 5 times 115 na? 23 5 times 115 na? 15 5s are 75. 75 75 get cancelled. Your answer is 11. 441. 289 into 20. This is how much? 4 na? 4 into 25. If you subtract 100 from 144, your answer is 44. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. 768 by 2 power x, that is equal to 3 na? 3 how many times? 256 times na? Are you clear, Nana? 3 250 times 753 6 is 18. 18 plus 750 768. So 2 power what value is 256? 2 power 8 value is 256. 2 power 10 value is 1024. Are you clear, Nana? Next 5 into 35. ఎవరు మాట్లాడట్లా 175. 0 decimal get cancel. 5 into 35, 175. 3 into 25. Difference is 100 na? 100 is which square? Your answer is 10 square. 10. 2 power 5. Okay na? 2 power 5. 2 power 5 by 2 cube na? 2 square na? 2 square is 4. 4 comes to that side. 16. 16 is which square? X is equal to 2. No, 2 power 5 by 2 cube is nothing but 2 square. 2 square value is 4. 4 comes to the LHS side, that is 16. 16 is 4 square. 4 x is equal to 4 square, x is equal to. Are you clear, Nana? Next, we need 17. 17 is the base for all, na? Now add powers, Nana. 6, 4, 10. Here denominator 5 is there, na? If you subtract 5, remaining is 6 plus 4 minus 3 minus 2. That is 5. Sorry, you don't need to minus sir. That comes in the denominator. It comes to the numerator, negative values. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. So 23. This 23 comes to this side, Nana. 23, na? Are you clear, Nana? Minus 31 plus x is equal to 23, na? X is equal to 54. X is equal to, your answer is 54. This 23 comes to this side. 46 minus 23 is nothing but 23. Minus the multiply jesa. Minus 31 minus of minus plus x. Question mark will be x. Are you clear? Next one. The average of the present ages of ABC is 22 years. Average is 22 years. Sum is what, Nana? 66, na? Average is 22. Sum is 66, na? Next, if 3 years ago the average of B and C was 18 years. Nana, 3 years ago 18 years. Present is 21, na? Present is 21, na? So B plus C average is 21. Sum is 42. Therefore A's age is what? 24, na? A's age is what? But they are asking what will be the A's age 9 years hence. 9 years hence is nothing but plus 9, na? So your answer is 33. Are you clear? Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? Next one. The profit earned on selling 2 items of an article is 80 rupees less than the profit earned on selling 3 items of the same articles. Nana, selling 2 articles, selling 3 articles. Ante difference is 1 article, na? That difference is 80 rupees only, na? That 1 article difference is what, na? And by selling each article, they are getting how much profit? That 20% is nothing but 80 rupees only, na? Are you clear, na? Then 100% is what? 20 any times, na? So 4 times of 100. Therefore, cost price of each article is what? 400. Selling 2 items, selling 3 items. The difference is 1 item. Are you clear, na? A 1 item valle manaku difference ochindi. Are you clear, na? Shall I go for the next question? The respective ratio between the speed of a boat in still water and the speed of the stream is 8:1. Now, speed of the boat is 8 parts. Speed of the stream is 1 part. If it is covers 67.5 kilometers downstream in 2.5 hours, 67.5 kilometers downstream. Downstream is nothing but B plus C, na? B plus C is 9 parts, na? That is 2.5 hours, na? 2.5 hours, na? 2.5 hours. Are you clear, na? So 2.5 how many times, na? 27 times, na? 2.5 so 10 లో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఆలోచిస్తున్నా 4 ఉంటాయి. రూపాయికి పావలాలు ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? మరి 10 రూపీస్కి 2.5 ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? 10కి 4 ఉంటాయా? 60కి 24 ఉంటాయి. 7.5 లో 3 ఉంటాయి. 2.5 27 times 67.5. Are you clear, Nana? So 9 ones are 9 threes are. Therefore 1 part will be equivalent to 3, na? 1 part will be equivalent to. They are asking what is the speed of the boat upstream. Upstream is nothing but B minus C, na? B minus C, na? B minus C is how many parts? 7 parts. Each part is 3, na? Each part is 3 na. 7 parts is 21. Are you clear nana? మీరు యాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా? ఏం బాబు, ఏం కనిపించింది నీకు? మీకే రెడ్ టీషర్ట్, రెడ్ షర్ట్ ఏం కనిపించింది? ఏం కనిపించలేదు కదా? మీరే ఏం కనిపించలేదు కదా? బీ సీరియస్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అన్న. The ratio between the numerical value of the area of the rectangle and its perimeter. Nana, area of the rectangle is nothing but L into B na, by perimeter na. Perimeter is nothing but 2 times of L plus B. That is equal to what? 35 by 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are na. Are you clear nana? Now, if the breadth of the rectangle is 15, yes, breadth of the rectangle is 15. What is the area of the square whose side is equal to the sum of the length and breadth? Side is equal to what nana? L plus B. They are asking area of the square na. Area of the square. So area of the square, okay. But A we don't know. But we know only B. Okay. Say for example, if I go for area is 1156. If area is 1156, A is equal to what nana? A is equal to what? 34. If A is equal to 34, B already we know 15. Then L is equal to what? L is equal to what? 19 na? Yes or not? 19 plus 15. 19 plus 15 is how much na? 34 na? But if you observe here that 34 is a 4 multiple. No, because L plus B is a 4 multiple na? So your answer is not 1156. If I go for 1024, then A is equal to what? A square is 1024. A is equal to 32. If A is equal to 32, L is already, B is already 15 na? Then L is 17. L is what na? 17. If L is 17, B is how much na? B is what? That should be 35 multiple na? 35 multiple avutunda? 35 table lo potunda idi? No. So your answer is not 1024. Next, if you go for 1296. So 1296 is which square? 36 square. A is 36 na? Already B is how much na? 15. Then L is, if you subtract 15 from 36, 21 na? L is 21, B is 15 divided by L plus B. L plus B is nothing but 36. Yes, 21 into 15 is a 35 multiple or na? In 21 7 is there, in 15 3 is there, 7 5 is 35. Yes or na? Yes. So your answer is what na? 1296. మీరు కావాలంటే వెరిఫై కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదు త్రూ ఆప్షన్ ద్వారా వద్దు సార్ అంటే ఎల్ను సమ్ ఎక్స్ అనుకొని మనం ప్రొసీడ్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఎప్పుడు సాటిస్ఫై అవుతుందో అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ అన్నా? ఆ ఎక్స్ అనుకొని సర్కస్ చేసేదానికన్నా త్రూ ఆప్షన్ మెథడ్ అనేది బెస్ట్ మెథడ్ అవుతుంది. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? A and B started a business. The amount that B invested was 50% more than that of A, and the period of A's investment was twice for B. So if the total annual profit received was 17,500, what was the A share? See here, A is there, B is there. A's investment was, amount invested by B was 50% more than that of A. 50%. I assume A as 2. Why you are assuming 2 sir? 50% na? 1 by 2 na? The denominator should be the assumption. If A is 2, B is what? Y 3, 50% more. 50% of 2 is nothing but 1. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Are you clear? Investments okay, but time periods. So the time period for which A was twice for B. If B for 1 month, A for 2 months. Therefore total investments is nothing but profits ratio na? Total 7 parts na? 7 parts is nothing but 17,000. Each part is 2,500 na? 725 times 175 na? They are asking A share na? A share is nothing but 4 parts na? 4 into 2,500. 4 into 2,500. 10,000. Question number 66. 2 2s are 4 1 na? 4 1, but divided with 2. So next 4 2. This is what na 2 comma 0.05 na. Are you clear na? So which one is greater? Y is greater, but sometimes equal. So your answer is x less than or equal to y. Y is always greater, but sometimes equal. Next, what are the possibilities? 33. 11 3 na? 11. So here అసలు చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈ పాజిటివ్ రూట్స్ వస్తాయి, ఆటోమేటిక్గా నెగిటివ్ రూట్స్ వస్తాయి. యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్. ఎందుకంటే x value will get in terms of positive roots, y value will get in terms of negative roots. Next one. So what are the possibilities? 9 minus 9 plus 3 na, it comes outside 9 minus 3 na. Are you clear na? This is 8 to 4 na. 8 minus 8 minus 4. Then automatically which one is greater? X is greater. X is greater than y. Now y is equal to plus or minus 6 na. X is equal to 5 comma 5 na. Then answer is no relation. Plus 5 is greater than minus 6. Plus 6 is greater than plus 5. X is one time greater, one time lesser. Your answer is no relation. Next one. Tell me 6, 3. Next 8, 6. Nana, y is always greater na, but sometimes equal. So your answer is x less than or equal to y. Now they give quantity 1 and quantity 2. The average of n1, n2, n3 is 1 less than that of n2, n3, n4. n2, n3, n4 average is 1 less than the n1, n2, n3 by 3. Difference is what, Nana? 1. Difference is what? 1. Nana, in between here, n2, n3 will get cancelled na. If you subtract n2, n3 get cancelled na. Yes or na? Because LCM is 3. n2, n3 will get cancelled or not? Therefore, n4 minus n1 is equal to 3. Are you clear? And they given the average of n1 and n4 is what? Therefore, n4 plus n1 is equal to how much, Nana? 30. So 2 times of n4 is equal to 42. Then for n4 is equal to what? N4 is equal to 21. If n4 is 21, n1 is matadalana 18. Now see here, 25% of n1, 250% of n1, and 200% is 36, 50% is 9. 9 plus 36, 45. n4 plus 27. n4 is 21. 21 plus 27, 48. So 1 is less than 2. 1 is, where it is 1 it is less than 2? Fourth option. So quantity 1 is 45, quantity 2 is 48. They given the average of n1, n2, n3. The average of n1, n2, n3 is what? n1 plus n2 plus n3 by 3 is 1 less than n2, n3, n4. n2, n3, n4 average is what? n2 plus n3 plus n4 by 3. Which one is lesser? n1, n2, n3 is the lesser one. That is the reason you have to subtract lesser value from higher value. Are you clear, Nana? And if you take LCM, అవన్నీ చేసినా కూడా గదే వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? మధ్యలో ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతాయి అంతే. క్లియర్ నానా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 72. Train A traveling towards north at the rate of 72 km/h crosses train B. From the moment they meet, traveling towards south at the rate of 108 km/h in 12 seconds. The length of train B is twice that of A. Okay. So one it is from north, one it is from south. Therefore, they are in opposite direction. Okay, na? They are in opposite. Whenever one train is crossing another train, distance is nothing but length of train 1 plus length of train 2 na. So here they given the length of train B is twice that of A. Say for example, if A is x, then B is what? 2x. Length of train A plus length of train B is nothing but distance na. Distance is nothing but speed into time na. Speed is relative speed na. Which direction? Opposite direction. How much na? 180 into 5 by 18 into how many seconds? 18 18 get cancel na, 12 5 are 60 na, 60 into 10 600 na, 3x is equal 600 na, x is equal 200 na. Therefore train A length is, train B length is together is 600. Are you clear? Now they are asking first question, the difference between lengths of both the trains. Now difference is how much na? Quantity 1 is 200, quantity 2 is 150. Your answer is 1 is greater than 2. So if you know the basic concept, it's very easy. So are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? Next one. The amount received after 2 years on X rupees from scheme A, offering compound interest 20% compounded annually, was again invested after adding 480 rupees in scheme B, offering simple interest at the rate of 10% per annum for 2 years. The interest received from scheme B was 2400. So then quantity 1 is X, quantity 2 is what? 4000. So ఒకసారి మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా గమనిస్తున్నాను ఇక్కడ. Just observe carefully here, all of you. I don't know that X rupees. I assume some 100 rupees. 100 rupees invested in scheme A. 100 rupees invested in offering which interest? Compound interest at the rate of 20% per annum. So 20% per annum is nothing but 2 years is nothing but you get 44 rupees interest na. 20 plus 20 plus 20% of 24, 4 plus 40, 44. Yes or no? The amount received after 2 years. Amount received after 2 years is what? 144 na. That 144 again we are reinvesting in simple interest. Again invested for adding 480 rupees. Okay, 480 rupees adding something in scheme B for how many years na? Which interest? 10% compound interest na? Simple interest na? The interest received from scheme B was how much? 2400. Nana, look at it here, Nana. 2 years simple interest na? 2 years simple interest is nothing but 20% na? That 20% is nothing but, that 20% is nothing but 2400 na? Interest only that 2400. Then 100% principal we need na? 100% principal we need na? So 20% is 2400, 120 times na? Therefore principal is what? Principal is what? 12,000. Nana, if you observe carefully here, principal is 12,000. You are adding only 480 rupees na? If you subtract 480, remaining will be how much na? 11,520 na? Yes or not? This 11,520 is 144 only na? You are receiving whatever amount from scheme A, entire money you have to kept in scheme B na? Are you clear or not? 144 how many times na? Definitely that will be more. No need to calculate. That will be more than 4,000 or na? 100 we need. That will be more than 4,000 or na? Are you clear, Nana? So your answer is what? Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Nana, ee quantity comparisons lo chivari varaku cheyakudu. Ippudu meer 144 parts 11,520 aithe 100 parts ఖచ్చితంగా 4,000 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందా లేదా మీరు చెప్పండి. మళ్ళీ చేసి గదంతో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయకూడదు. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, in a month out of his monthly income Harshad spends 3,500 on bills and 8,000 on rent and deposits the remaining in a bank. The amount he deposited in the bank in a year was 2,04,000. More than that spent on bills and rent together. Okay. Nana, first of all, this is 1 year na? Year was na? Year na? But we need monthly na? Therefore we need to go for by 12. By? Tell me. 12 ones are 12. Remainder is 84. 12 sevens are 17,000 more na? 17,000 more than spent on bills na? Bills is how much na? Spent on bills is how much? 3,500. Therefore together is how much? 20,000. 20,500. These 20,500 they deposited in bank. They deposited it in bank after spending 3,500, 8,000 for remaining expenditure. Yes or no? అంటే 3,500 బిల్స్ మీద 8,000 రెంట్ మీద స్పెండ్ చేసిన తర్వాత రిమైనింగ్ 20,500 రూపీస్ దే డిపాజిటెడ్ ఇన్ బ్యాంక్. దేర్ఫోర్ టోటల్ ఇన్కమ్ ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు చెప్పండి? టోటల్ మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ ఏమవుతుంది? టోటల్ మంత్లీ ఇన్కమ్ ఏమవుతుందన్నా? 8,000, 11,500, 11,500, 12,000, 12,000 ప్లస్ 30,000, 32,000 నా? ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? This is monthly income of that person. Monthly income of that person. Now here, observe carefully here, Nana. Manaku and rent together kada. Rent kuda calculate cheyali kada manam. Just wait. Rent kuda undi. 17,000 plus 3,500 plus how much Nana? Rent kuda undi kada. అంటే హౌ మచ్ 8,000. అప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతున్నాడు మొత్తం 28,000. These 28,500 they deposited in the bank after spending these expenditures. Yes or not? అంటే again you have to add 11,500. అంటే total monthly income is what? Monthly income is what? 40,000. Are you clear Nana? 3,000. Once again I am explaining. 3,500 bills మీద 8,000 rent. After spending 11,500, remaining 28,500 they deposited in the bank. Therefore, total monthly income is 40,000. Are you clear, Nana? Bank lo enta deposit chesadu ante 17,000 more than. Sir, why you are getting 17,000, sir? Ante they given yearly. We are dividing with 12. 17,000 more than. So rent and bills together. Rent and bills together is 11,500 na. Are you clear Nana? Now see here. Harshad monthly income quantity 2. Harshad monthly income is what? 40,000. Quantity 1 is what? 5 times the amount spent by Harshad on rent in a month. Rent month is what? 5 times of 8,000. 40,000 na. And both are. Your answer is quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2. Are you ready? Next one. Inlet pipe can fill an empty tank in 36 hours. A alone it will take 36 hours. There was a leak in the bottom of the tank. Now 1/6 of the empty tank it in 9 hours. Now 1/6 in 9 hours is nothing but 1/6 in 9 hours is nothing but total tank in 54 hours na. Total tank in 54 hours na. Are you clear or not? 1/6th part in 9 hours, the total tank is 6 9 is 54. If A alone is there, it will take 36 hours to fill the tank. If due to leak, it will take 54 hours. Leak also we consider the pipe, that is B pipe. Now we need A alone, sorry, B alone. LCM Nana? LCM is what? 108 na? Ever maatladaledu. 108 na 36 3s are 54 2s are. Nana, from A 3 liters are coming, but in the tank only 2 liters are there. Then what about remaining 1 liter? Through B, through leak that is going out na? Yes or na? B's efficiency, the leak efficiency is 1 liter per minute, 1 liter per hour. So total tank capacity is 108 na. Therefore it will take how many hours na? So leak alone to empty the tank in 108 hours. Now see the first quantity. The time taken by the leak to empty the full tank when A is closed. Yes, when A is closed, leak alone it will take how many hours? 108 hours. Quantity 2 they given how many hours? 110 hours. Now your answer is what? Quantity 1 is less than quantity 2. Are you clear? Now they given pie chart. Total 300. Tell me fast. English, mathematics, physics, geography, Sanskrit. So tell me. So total number is what? 300. 300 na. June 2022 na. So 18% is nothing but 18 3s are 54. 54 only, not 540. 12 3s are 24 3s are 26 3s are 26 3s are 78. 23s are. See the first question. The respective ratio between the number of females and that of males studying physics is 11:7. What is the number of males? Now, number of males are how many parts? 7 parts na. 7 together is 18 parts na. 18 parts is nothing but 72 na. Each part is males are 7 parts. 7 into 4. 7 into 4. 28. Next question, what is the central angle corresponding to the number of students mathematics? Central angle is nothing but total angle is 360 degrees na. Central angle for mathematics na 12% na, 10% is 36 degrees na, 2% is 7.2 degrees na, 7.2 plus 36 43.2 na. Your answer is 43.2. Next, central angle. Do you know the basics in data interpretation? Gandhi అవలేదు, అవ్వకపోతే మరి ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కష్టం. ఓకే, నువ్వు అడిగినందుకు చెప్తాను గాంధీ. ఓకేనా, చూడు గాంధీ, సెంట్రల్ యాంగిల్ అంటే 100 ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ పర్సంటేజ్, దట్ ఈస్ 100%. ఇఫ్ దే గివ్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ పర్సంటేజ్, దట్ ఈస్ 100%. ఇఫ్ దే గివ్ ఇన్ టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ డిగ్రీస్, దట్ ఈస్ కంప్లీట్ యాంగిల్. 100% is 360 degrees, then 12% is how many degrees? 100% is 360 degrees na, 10% is 36 degrees na, 1% is 3.6 degrees na, 2% is 7.2 na, 7.2 plus 36 43.2. Are you clear? Very good. Shall I go for the next question, Anna? In July 2022, but the given data is June na, given data is June na, the number of students studying all the given subjects together increased by 20% as compared to the June month. What is the total number of students studying all the given subjects together in July 2022? 300 na, 20% more na, 60 more na, 60 plus 300, 360. Out of the total number of students studying Sanskrit, 35% are females. Therefore, male studying Sanskrit. 65% na, Sanskrit 60 na, 65% of 60 na, 65% of 60, 39. 65% of 60, 39. 60% is nothing but 36, 5% is 3, 3 plus 36, 39. Are you clear? Next, in an examination, out of the total number of students studying geography, 3/13 are failed. What is the number of students studying geography who failed in that examination? Geography is how much na? 78 na. 3 by 13 into 78 na. 13 how many times na? 3 6 are 18. Next, scale 1. Are you ready? Scale 1. All of you ready? So let's start. Now, data regarding population of male plus female of 4 villages in 2017. Total male plus female of 4 villages is 3000. Now see here, all of you, A, B, C, D 4 villages are there. Total males they given, male plus female they given, and at the same time they given number of males also. Total males, females. Tell me fast. Total 3000 na? Total 3000 na? 12% na? 12% is what? 360. Males are 160. Therefore females are like this. You have to fill remaining na. Are you clear na? So tell me fast. 28% na? 28% na? So 28 how many times na? 28 3s are 840. This is 440. Remaining will be 400. Next 34% na? 34 3s are 102. 1020. This is 570. Remaining will be 450. Remaining will be D. 26% na? 26 3s are 780 na? Are you clear? This is 390 na? This is also. So once you fill this data, questions are very easy for you. Now see the first question, all of you. Are you ready? In 2018, the population of village C decreased by 25%. Nana, data is 2017 data na? That is very important. 2018, if the population of village C decreased by 25% as compared to the previous year, what was the population of village C 2018? So first of all, 2018 total population is what? 25% reduced na? That is nothing but 1/4 reduced na? Remaining will be 3/4 na? 3/4 of 1020. 4 how many times na? 4 280 times na? Yes or not? 3 280 times 840. So any times anedi 1020 half to 1020 half 5, 5, 10. Wait. 3 by 4th of 1020. Are you clear, Nana? So 4 table n times potundi? 255 times. Now 3 into 255, 765. Your answer is 765. 1 by 4th reduced, remaining will 3 by 4. Next one, number of males in village B. Males in village B is what percentage more than the village A? They compared with the village A, na? 160 how to keep in the denominator, na? 440 is how much more? 280 more. So 44s are 47s are, na? 7 by 4, na? 1 by 4 is 25%, na? 7 by 4 is 175%. 1 by 4 is 25. 7 by 4 is 175. Are you clear, Nana? Question number 43. Out of the total population of village B and D, if 540 and 380 are respectively illiterate, what is the respective ratio between the number of literate in village B and D? So first of all, village B total how many students are there? Total population 840. Out of 840, 540 are illiterates, na? Then remaining 300 are literates. Coming to village D. Village D total it is what? 780. Out of 780, 380 are illiterates. Remaining are? So 300 is to 400. 3 is to 4. What is the average number of females in village A and B? Village A and B, nana. Females. 200, 400, 600, na? Average is 300. What is the difference between the total number of males in A and C together? Males in A and C. 160, 570. 160, 570. 730. 730. And females in village D. Females in village D. 390. Difference. Difference is how much, Anna? 3. Now, at present, Chan is twice the age of Ben and also 7 times the age of Ami. If after 4 years Ben will be 25 years old and Ami will be 10 years old, what is Ami's present age? Chanu, Bennu, Ami. Look at it here, all of you. Chan is twice of and also 7 times of Ami, na? Yes or na? Twice 7 times kada. Then Chami I am going to assume as 14. Then Ben is, then Ami is. Are you clear, Nana? Sir, why you are assuming Chan is 14? Twice 7 times. 2, 7 LCM is 14, na? The 14 I am going to assume as Chan is 14. Are you clear, Nana? If Chan is 14, Chan is twice of Ben, na? Ben is 7. Then if Chan is 14, Ami is 2. Because 7 times, na? Are you clear, Nana? If you assume right values, then you will get the answers very fast. Now see here. If after 4 years, Ben will be, after 4 years, 25 is nothing. But present age is 21, na? Therefore, present age of Ben is 21. Present age of Ami is 6. Present age of Chenni is, ever maatladru, 42. Adigindi evardi? Ami present age. Sir, inko statement ఏది ఇచ్చాడు సార్, సర్కస్ చేసే వాళ్ళు అది కూడా వాడతారు. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్, నానా? సో వీ డోంట్ వాంట్ దట్ వన్. మనం ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూజ్ చేయకుండా ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పవచ్చు. ఎలా? Ami will be 10 years old, na? 10 years old after 4 years. Then present is 6. 2 parts is 6, na? Are you clear? Nana ala kuda cheppొచ్చు direct ga. Next, na. On giving a certain discount on MRP of an item, Shanu gains how much, na? 25%. And on giving double the discount, he loses 6.25% on the same item. The cost of the item is 256. How much discount should he given on the MRP of the item? So to earn a profit of 24 rupees. Nana jagrataga observe cheyandi. I don't know cost price. I assume as what? 100. SP1. If you observe carefully here, Nana, whenever he gives certain discount, some discount, we don't know the discount percentage. Whenever he gives certain discount, Profit is 25 is nothing but SP is 125. Yes or no? Next, whenever he gives a double discount comparatively previous one, if he give double discount, the loss is 6.25. Now loss is 6.25 is nothing but SP2 is what? 93.75 na? Are you clear, Nana? Are you clear, Anna? Now the cost price of the item is what, Nana? 256. Just keep aside the 256. Keep aside. Next, how much discount should he give on the MRP of the item to earn a profit of 24? అంటే ఒకసారి మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ మనకు 256 రూపీస్ అనేది కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్, మనకు ప్రాఫిట్ ఎంత రావాలంటున్నాడు 24. అంటే సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఏమై ఉండాలి? సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఏమై ఉండాలన్నా 280. దిస్ 280 ఈజ్ నాట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ప్రాబ్లం. 280 ఈజ్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ద గివెన్ వాల్యూ. లేదంటే మనకు 250 డైరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి వాల్యూ కూడా తీసుకొని వెళ్ళొచ్చు డైరెక్ట్గా. ఇవి డైరెక్ట్గా కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ 256 ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి 256 తీసుకుని కూడా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అప్పుడు SP1 ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 25% ప్రాఫిట్ కాబట్టి 1/4 ప్రాఫిట్ కదా. 1/4 ఆఫ్ 256 is nothing but 64 కదా. 64 plus 256 is nothing but 320. SP1 is 320. SP2 is 6.25% loss na. 6.25 is nothing but 1/16 na. 16 table this one is goes 16 times na. Therefore 16 rupees loss na. 16 rupees loss is nothing but 240. Are you clear or not? Now SP3 is what? SP3 24 rupees we need profit na. 24 rupees on 256 is nothing but 24 plus 256 280. Nana, look at it, Nana. Jartha chundana. Whenever you are selling 320 rupees, you are giving some discount, certain discount. So, say for example X% discount. But whenever you are selling at 240, you are giving 2X% discount. But how much difference is there here? 80 rupees na. Are you clear or not? And that one part will be 80 rupees or not? That one part will be 80 rupees or not? One part will be 80 rupees. Now they are asking what? Question is what? How much discount you have to give on MRP to get a profit of? Ante 280 rupees kammali ante what is the MRP value? How much discount you have to give? Nana, one part will be how much, Nana? అంటే డబల్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చినప్పటికి సింగిల్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చినప్పటికి మనకి 80 రూపీస్ డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది కదా. వన్ పార్ట్ విల్ బి 80 రూపీస్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మనకు కావాల్సిన 5 పార్ట్స్ కదా. సో 5 పార్ట్స్ అంటే ఎంత అవుతుందన్నా 400. దేర్ఫోర్ MRP విల్ బి వాట్? MRP విల్ బి వాట్? MRP is 400 but selling price should be 280. Selling price should be so 280. అప్పుడు మనకి ఏమవుతుందన్నా డిస్కౌంట్ ఎంత ఇవ్వాలి? అన్నా మరొకసారి చెప్తున్నానా, ఇక్కడ మనం 320 రూపీస్ కమ్మినప్పుడు ఒక పార్టీ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చాం. ఎవరు మాట్లాడలే. కానీ 240 కమ్మినప్పుడు ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చాం? 2 పార్ట్స్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చాం. క్లియర్ నా? అంటే ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది? 1 పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ కి 2 పార్ట్స్ డిస్కౌంట్స్ కి ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంది? 1 పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఉంది కదా. అంటే 1 పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ వాల్యూ విల్ బి 80 రూపీస్ నా. 1 పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ వాల్యూ విల్ బి 80 రూపీస్ నా. ఫస్ట్ కేసులో నువ్వు ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చావు చెప్పు? ఫస్ట్ కేసులో ఎన్ని పార్ట్స్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చావు? 1 పార్టే కదా. అంటే 1 పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత 320కి సేల్ చేసావు. ఆఫ్టర్ గివింగ్ 1 పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ యువర్ సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఇస్ 320. ఒక పార్ట్ డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత 320 అంటే డిస్కౌంట్ ఇవ్వక ముందు దాని MRP ఎంత ఉండాలి? 400 రూపీస్ ఉండాలా లేదా? ఎస్ ఆర్ నా? ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదన్నా? MRP విల్ బి 400. అదే నేను చెప్పా 400. అదే కాకపోతే నేను 5% డైరెక్ట్గా చెప్పా. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? So if MRP is 400 rupees, finally we need to sell article at 280 rupees na. Cost price is 256 rupees. We need 24 rupees is the profit. 280 rupees selling price na. Market price is 400. Selling price is 280. Then discount, how much discount you have to give? 120 rupees. Your answer is 120. Next one, ABC started a business with investments in the ratio 7:6:8 and the period of they which invested was in the respective ratio of 6:4:1. Investments ratio they given, times ratio they given. Nana investment into time period is nothing but profit only na. Investment into time period is nothing but profit only na. Now tell me, yes, total investment 7 into 6. 7 into 6. B 6 into 4. C 8 into 1. So 21, 12, 4. If the annual profit received was 18,500, Nana total it is how much Nana? 21, 12, 33, 33, 4. 37 is nothing but 18,500 na. 37 5 times na. Exactly 500 times na. They are asking what was the difference in between A share and the total share of B and C. Total share of B and C is, and A share is, difference they are asking 5 parts. One part will be 500 na. 5 parts is, your answer is 2,500. They are asking the difference between A and B and C together. Are you ready? The difference between the total cost finishing at the rate of 5 rupees per meter. A circular field and a square field is 160 rupees. So what is the area of the circular field if the radius of the circular field is equal to the side of a square field? Now, are you ready, Nana? So total difference is how much, Nana? 160. Cost by per unit cost is nothing but area, na. Cost by per unit cost is nothing but area, na. Per meter. Per meter is nothing but not area. That is perimeter. Only finishing. Per square meter is nothing but area. Per meter is nothing but perimeter. The difference between circular field and square field is what, na? 32 meters. Difference between circular field. So circular field and square field. Difference between circular field is nothing but perimeter is what? Square field is what? That is equal to how many meters, Nana? 32 meters. Sir, how we are getting 32 meters, sir? The difference is, in terms of cost difference is 160. Per unit cost is 5 rupees. Total cost by per unit cost is nothing but perimeter only, na. Are you clear, Nana? And now they given one more thing. What is the area of the circular field? If the radius of the circular field is equal to the side of a square, R is equal to A, na. R is equal to A, na. And in place of A, we can substitute R also. Take R common, na. Take R common. 2 pi is nothing but 44 by 7, na. Minus 4, na. That is equal to 32. 7 how many times? 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. 44 minus 28. 16. 16 how many times? 32. 2 times. 7 times of 2. R is equal to, they are asking area of the circle, na. Area of the circle is nothing but pi r square, na. So 22 by 7 into 14, na. 7 2s are 14 2s are 28. 28 into 22, 616. So your answer is 616. Area of the circular field is 616. Remember, whenever they given per meter cost, the work is going to be done for circumference, perimeter. Whenever they given per square meter, the work is going to done for area. Are you clear, Nana? That is a keyword for us. Otherwise, finishing ane word use chesi kuda man cheppochu. Finishing ante chuttu vestara, finishing ante mottham vestara. Finishing only boundaries. Are you clear, Nana? Aa keyword kuda manaku use avutundi. Shall I go for the next question? The speed of the boat down upstream is 6 km per hour less than the downstream. The speed of the boat in still water is 21 km per hour. What was the total time taken by the boat to travel 108 km upstream and downstream together? Nana, look at here, Nana, all of you. Speed of the boat upstream. Upstream is 6 km per hour less than the downstream. Nana, downstream speed is x, na. Upstream speed is y, na. That difference they given what? 6. I told you very clear, downstream speed is more than upstream speed. Are you clear, Nana? That difference is 6. Nana, మీకు ఇంకొక విషయం కూడా చెప్పా. C is equal to x minus y by 2 అని చెప్పా. Speed of the stream is equal to speed of the current is equal to x minus y by 2. Therefore, C is equal to how much? C is equal to how much? They given speed of the boat in still water. Speed of the boat is what? Speed of the boat is what? 21. Now we know B, now we know C. Now we can find out downstream speed and upstream speed na. Are you clear nana? So how much distance nana? 108 kilometers downstream. Nana, 108 kilometers downstream is nothing but 24 na. Same distance upstream also na. Same distance upstream also na. Upstream is nothing but B minus C na. B minus C is nothing but 18. 18 how many times na? 6 times. 24 4s are na. 24 4s are 96. Remainder will be 12. 12 by 24 is nothing but half an hour. 4.5 hours plus 6 hours, 10.5 hours. So your answer is 10.5 hours. So if you know the fundamentals, it's very easy way of attacking. Are you clear nana? మనం బోర్డ్స్ అండ్ స్ట్రీమ్స్ చెప్పుకున్నప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేసామా లేదా? Shall I go for the next question? Are you ready? In 2015, an organization had 1800 employees. In 2016, 55 female employees and 45 male employees left the organization. If in 2016, the number of female employees was 45 more than that of male employees in 2015, what was the number of female employees in 2016? There were no other changes in the organization in terms of employee strength. Okay, no problem. Now here 2015, 2016, they given male, female, total, male, female, total. Are you clear nana? Now they given in 2015 total strength is what nana? In 15 total strength is 1800. In 2016 nana, in 2016 55 females. Okay, for this one 55 females minus next nana, so 55 females kada. Yes, 55 females next ana ante total 100 reduce unna 100 reduce then nothing but total strength is 1700 na. Are you clear or not? Next ana. Okay, next question, next point is what? If in 2016 the number of female employees was 45 more than that of male employees in 2015. Nana, if you observe 2015 male employees, we don't know na. I assume as what? Some X. Now female employees in 2016 is what? 45 more na. 45 more is nothing but this is what? X plus 45 na. Are you clear or not? In 2015 number of males are X. In 2016 number of females are 45 more than number of males in 2015 na. Yes or na? Now if this is X na, reduced by 45 na. Now this become what? X minus 45 na. Are you accepted or not? Are you clear or not? Now x minus 45 plus x plus 45 is equal 1700 na. Now 45 get cancel na. 45 get cancel na. X plus x is 2x na. 2x is equal 1700 na. X is equal to 850. But x is not your answer. X is not your answer. Question is what? What was the number of female employees in? Now female employees in 2016 is x plus 45 na. X plus 45 na. X is 850 na. X is 850 na. 45 more. 895. Are you clear or not? Nana, total nana, x minus 45 plus x plus 45 is equal to 1700. Are you clear nana? This equation, this one. Are you clear? 45 get cancel na. So అసలు 45 కూడా గెట్ అవసరం లేదు, క్యాన్సిల్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా. మనకు కావాల్సిన ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 45 నా. వీ నీడ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 45 నా. సో అదర్వైజ్ ఈ 45 అవతలకి వెళ్తే ఎంత అవుతున్నా, లేదా 45 క్యాన్సిల్ చేయి. 45 2x నా. 2x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1700 నా. x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 850. బట్ x ఈజ్ నాట్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. వీ నీడ్ x ప్లస్ 45. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఫీమేల్స్ ఇన్ 2016. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? Next Anna, are you ready? A vessel contains a mixture of 160 liters of milk and 20 liters of water. X liters of mixture was taken out and 20 liters of pure milk and 25 liters of pure water was added. The resultant quantity of the milk was 100 liters more than the 100 liters more than the water. What was the value of X? Now look at here on all of you. Are you ready? Initially, how many liters of milk is there? How many liters of water is there? Some mixture was taken out. We don't know how much mixture was taken out. After taken out, again they added 20 liters of and 25 liters of water. And how much you are adding? 45 you are adding. I am going to assume we are going to take 45 liters withdrawn. I am taking 45 liters withdrawn. If it is 45 liters withdrawn, total it is 180 liters. Nana. Ever matter, Nana. If you remove 45 liters, remaining will be what? 135 na? Are you clear, Nana? 135 na? If you observe, 45 liters removed is nothing but out of 180. 45 is how much percentage of 180? 25%. ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు 180 half 90, 90 half 45. And 25% of the quantity we removed na. And 25% of the milk is coming out. 25% of the water is coming out na. And 25% of 160, 40. 1/4 value na 40. If you remove 140, remaining will be 120. Nana, water is what? 25, 20. 1/4 remove na. 1/4 removed is nothing but 5 removed. 5 removed is nothing but. Now you are adding 25 liters of water, 20 liters of, and it become 140. It become 40. Now milk is 100 liters more than water or not? Are you clear or not? అంటే మనం తీసుకున్న అజంప్షన్ కరెక్టే కదా. ఒకవేళ అజంప్షన్ కరెక్ట్ కాలేదనుకోండి, అకార్డింగ్ టు 45 హౌ మచ్ వీ గాట్ డిఫరెన్స్. నేను 45 తీసుకుని నాకు డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వచ్చినా 100. సే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 120, అకార్డింగ్ టు 45 ఇట్ ఈస్ 100, దెన్ అకార్డింగ్ టు 120 హౌ మచ్ వీ నీడ్ టు రిమూవ్. మన అజంప్షన్ ప్రకారం కరెక్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి కరెక్టే. లేదు అంటే మళ్ళీ మనం ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ తీసుకుని వెళ్ళాం. మనం తీసుకున్న అజంప్షన్ ప్రకారం ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చిందో చూస్తాం, మనకి ఎంత కావాలో చూస్తాం. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్, దట్ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? అంతేగాని సర్కస్ చేయం. ఆర్ యూ రెడీ? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 53 నా. Different sums of money was invested in respective ratio of 80:9 for an equal time period in two schemes. A 5% per annum, B scheme R% per annum. Both schemes offer simple interest respective ratio between the interest earned from scheme A and scheme B was 20:27. What is the value of R? Interest they given, interest ratio is how much, 20/27 na. Are you clear, nana? Now principal's ratio they given na 8:9. Next, rate of interest. A scheme is what? B scheme is what? R%. Now time period is same na. Equal time period na. Equal time period na. Are you clear, nana? Now we need to find out R. Interest is nothing but PTR percentage na. Ade rasa. So 9 ones are 9, 3s are 5 ones are 4 ones are 4. Therefore R is equal to 6. R into T ante interest nana. R into T is nothing but what? Interest. R is for 1 year, T is for total years. Shall I go for the next question? Sean saves 1/3 of his salary each month. From the remaining, he pays 60% as EMI towards repayment loan, and remaining he spends on buying a watch. If the difference between the amount he spends on watch and EMI is 5,400, what was his monthly salary? Now monthly salary I assume as 300. Sir, why you are assuming 300, sir? 1/3 అన్నారు కాబట్టి. లేదంటే మనం ఏం అజంప్షన్ చేసుకుంటాం? 100. వెరీ గుడ్. 1/3 సేవ్. 1/3 వాట్ నానా? సేవ్. Now 1/3 save is nothing but 100 rupees save na. Remaining will be out of 260% EMI na. 120 rupees EMI na. Remaining 80 rupees. Remaining spends on buying a watch. Now the difference between watch and EMI. Now watch is 80, EMI is 120. Difference is, but according to our problem, ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందని, ఇప్పుడు నేను 300 అజంప్షన్ చేసుకున్నా, నాకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందా రాలా, అందుకని ఏం చేశా, అకార్డింగ్ టు మై అజంప్షన్ ఈజ్ 40, అకార్డింగ్ టు అవర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈజ్ 5400. హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్, దట్ మనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్. అందుకని ఇంకొక ఆప్షన్ తీసుకొని పోను. ఆర్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్? నేను ఇందాక చెప్పింది అదే, ఇందాక మనం తీసుకున్న 45 కరెక్ట్ అయింది కాబట్టి కరెక్ట్ వచ్చింది. లేకపోతే అకార్డింగ్ టు 45 దిస్ మచ్ వాల్యూ ఐ గాట్, అకార్డింగ్ టు ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఐ నీడ్ దిస్ మచ్, హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్, దట్ మనీ టైమ్స్ ఇట్ గోస్. భయపడతామా? ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? ఈజీ వే ఆఫ్ అటాకింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? మీరు ఎక్స్ అనుకునే దానికన్నా ఇది చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. నౌ టెల్ మీ నానా, 0 0 గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్, 4 హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ నానా? 135 టైమ్స్ నా, 135 టైమ్స్ నా, 540 హాఫ్, 270, 270 హాఫ్, 135. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? చూస్తున్నారు మళ్ళా, 4 1s are 4, రిమైండర్ ఇస్ 14, 4 3s are, అట్ట కాదు, 540ని 2 టైమ్స్ హాఫ్ చేసా, 540 హాఫ్ 270, 270 హాఫ్ 135. ఎస్ ఆర్ నా? నాన్న 135 into 3 నా, మళ్ళీ సర్కస్ చేస్తారా? 135 3s are 405. యువర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 40,500. 135 3 times నానా, 133 times 393, 5 is 15, 15 plus 390, 405. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్? క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అనేది చాలా యాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలి, ఓకేనా, చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా ఉండాలి, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ పాసిబుల్. అది అది త్రూ ప్రాక్టీసే వస్తుంది, మీరు అలవాటు పడాలి దానికి. షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ది నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? ఎవరు మాట్లాడరు? నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, ద రెస్పెక్టివ్ రేషియో బిట్వీన్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ టేకెన్ బై 27 men to complete a project and then that taken by 15 women to complete the same project in 1:2. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. 27 men అయితే ఎన్ని డేస్ తీసుకునే వాళ్ళనా? వన్ పార్ట్ డేస్ తీసుకునే వాళ్ళు 27 men are there, it will take 1 part days. If 15 women are there, it will take 2 parts days. Yes or na? Now we will get men to women efficiency ratio na. Now 3 5s are, 3 9s are. The men by women is equal to not 5 head, 10 by man efficiency is 10 parts, women efficiency is 9 parts. Are you clear nana? Now see the question. If 18 women complete, 18 women efficiency is 9 na, 18 women complete a project in 13 1/3 na. Now 13 1/3 is nothing but 40/3 days na, is equal to what is the number of days taken by 24 men. Man efficiency is 10. How many days they are taking? This one only na. Are you clear nana? So tell me fast. 3 1s are, 3 1s are, 3s are, 340 times 120, 122s are 240. So 2 how many times nana? So men it will take 9 days. So from the first statement I find out the efficiency, just I substitute in the second equation. మీకు టైమ్ అండ్ వర్క్ చెప్పినప్పుడు యూనిటరీ మెథడ్ చెప్పా, గుర్తుందా? M1 D1 H1 E1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 E2 by W2. Are you clear nana? So W is the only variable that is there in the denominator, remaining all variables are there in the numerator. Are you clear or not? ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ చెప్పి మీకు 10 రూల్స్ చెప్పానా? 10 రూల్స్లో ఫస్ట్ రూల్. షల్ ఐ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ ఎంతనా? సో హియర్ దే గివెన్ డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ. డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ వచ్చినప్పుడు మాత్రం మీరు క్వశ్చన్స్ లీవ్ చేయొద్దు. సో డేటా సఫిషియన్సీ ఇస్ వెరీ ఈజీ. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 61. So first of all read the question Anna. Is the value of P is equal to the value of Q? Question is what Anna? Is the value of P is equal to Q? Equal a kada? Annu cheppagalava leda? That is your question. Is it equal or not? That is the question. You have to decide by using the statement 1 and statement 2. For deciding the answer, only statement 1 is sufficient, or only statement 2 is sufficient, or both are required, or if together is also answer is not possible, or either are required. That is the options. Now see the first question, first statement Anna. Sum of P and Q is what? Is it possible to say P is equal to Q? Only one is possible. Now while checking this data sufficiency, you have to check individually first. If individually it's not possible, then only you have to combine. Are you clear, Nana? First statement, only first statement. Answer is not possible. Are you clear, Nana? Now see only second statement. Only second statement. Forget about first statement. The product of sum of P and Q and sum of reciprocals. This product is what, Nana? Is it possible? By using only second statement. Forget about first statement. Only second statement. Answer is possible? No. But if we combine both, if you together, so definitely two equations are there, two unknown variables are there. Equal kada? Equal అయితే equal కాకపోతే equal కాదు. But decision is possible na? Decision is possible or na? Yes. And both are equal. Like that, which statement is there? Both are required. Both are required. Which statement? Fifth statement. Both are required. Next 62, Nana. The sum of A and B is, we need to find out A square minus B square na. First statement, sum of A and B is what? 16. Is it possible? No. Only one is not possible. There is no difference between the values of A and B. Yes. A and B difference లేదంటున్నాడు. తీసుకుంటే 3 తీసుకో. Answer is 0. 4 also. So only 2 is possible. By using only statement 2, answer is possible or not? Because there is no difference between A and B. Then A and B are same. Same is nothing but if you take 1, answer is 0. If you take 2 also, answer is 0. Answer is possible or not? Yes. So only statement 2. Where is the option? Third option. 63. Question is what? The cost price of article A is what percent more than the cost price of article B? Nana, first of all, we need to find out cost price of A and once we know these values, answer is possible or not? And our target is to find out cost price of A and cost price of B. For that one, what are the statements that are required? First statement, article A was sold at 20% profit, article B was sold at 60% profit. Nana, is it possible, Nana? Article A was sold at 40%, 20% profit is nothing but 120. Article B was sold at 60% profit is nothing but 160. By using only selling prices, is it possible to find out cost prices? And only one is not sufficient. Now see only second statement. The average selling price of A and A to that of B is 10% more than the cost price of A. Nana, first of all, we don't know selling price of A and selling price of B. Sir, we know na sir ante kudaradu. That is first statement. You have to forget about first statement. Now if you see the only second statement, yes, the average of selling price of A and B is 10% more than the cost price of A. First of all, we don't know selling price of A and selling price of B na. Only second statement, it's not possible or not? Yes, it's not possible because we don't know selling price of A and selling price of B. కొంతమంది మర్చిపోతారు, ఆల్రెడీ మనకు వచ్చినాయి కదా అనుకుంటారు. ఇవి అవి ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్లో ఉన్నాయి. ఆర్ యు క్లియర్ నానా? ఎప్పుడు చూసుకోవాలి చెప్పండి? ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ కూడా ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ పాసిబుల్. దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కంబైన్. ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆన్సర్ పాసిబులా? నో. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కంబైన్డ్ ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆల్సో, selling price of A, selling price of B, we know from the first statement na. If you use that values, then we will get cost price of A na. Once we will get cost price of A, then we will get cost price of B na. Once we will get cost price of A and cost price of B, then cost price of A is how much percent more than cost price of B? Is it possible to find out or not? Yes, answer is possible. So your answer is what? Both are required. Nana, especially while solving this type of data efficiency questions, no need to solve the answer. So that is the reason I am saying, so you have to attempt in the exam, final exam. Our target is to check the data, to verify the data, whether the data is sufficient or not. Verification is, checking is very easy rather than solving the problem. Problem పూర్తి సాల్వ్ చేయాలని టైం పట్టుద్ది, కానీ సరిపోతుందా లేదా అని వెరిఫై చేయడం ఈజీ కదా. So that is the reason whenever they are asking data efficiency questions in the exam, don't leave those questions. If you know the concept very well, it's very easy to attempt. Are you clear, Nana? Shall I go for the next question? Question number is what, Nana? 64. Now 64 చూడండి. how much time will car n take to travel 405 kilometers? So n time adugutunnana, n time ante we need what? Distance by speed na. Distance already they given na, and if you know n speed, it's possible to find out n time na. And n speed we need. Where is that one? That n speed is in first statement or second statement. You have to check. Are you clear nana? First of all, మన క్వశ్చన్ అంటే స్టేట్మెంట్స్ లో వెళ్లే ముందు ఏమి డేటా మనకు కావాలి, ఆన్సర్ కావాలంటే అనేది మీకు క్లారిటీ ఉండాలి. ఎస్, నౌ వీ నీడ్ ఎన్ స్పీడ్. వన్స్ వీ నో ఎన్ స్పీడ్, ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ అన్న? నౌ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్. కార్ ఎన్ ట్రావెల్ 480 kilometers in certain number of hours. Car m takes 4 hours more than car n to cover the same distance. Had car m traveled the same distance double its speed, you have taken 2 hours less than car n to cover the same distance. Now if you observe carefully here, Nana, so statement 2, just forget about statement 2. By using statement 2, answer is not possible because we need car n speed, not car m speed. Here same distance they given. Nana, I already told, whenever distance is constant, speed and time are inversely proportional to each other na. Are you clear అన్న? మీకు ఇంకొకటి కూడా చెప్పాను, మీకు టైమ్ అండ్ డిస్టెన్స్ చెప్పినప్పుడు చెప్పాను, స్పీడ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతే టైం రెడ్యూస్ అవుతుంటుంది, స్పీడ్ డిక్రీజ్ అవుతే టైం ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంటుంది. వెన్ ఎవర్ దే గివెన్ దిస్ సిచ్యువేషన్, సో వీ నీడ్ టు ఈక్వేట్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ అని చెప్పేసి, స్పీడ్ ఇంటూ టైం అని చెప్పేసి, స్పీడ్స్ రిలేషన్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పీడ్స్ పై డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద స్పీడ్స్ ఇంటూ టైం అని చెప్పేసి చెప్పాను. గుర్తుందా లేదా మీకు రెగ్యులర్ క్లాసెస్లో? ఎస్ అన్న? అంటే మనకు ఖచ్చితంగా బై యూజింగ్ ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 alone వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ n. Are you clear Anna? Because the distance is constant. Are you clear Anna? They given about n, they talking about n, they given about m. If you go for the ratios, then we will get speed of n na. Once we know speed of n, we have to find out 405 kilometers we have to travel in how many hours na. Are you clear Anna? So only first statement is alone sufficient. Where it is that one? Where is the first statement alone Anna? Fourth one. Only first statement alone. Question number 65. Side of a square is equal to length of the rectangle. Nana, side of a square is equal to length of the rectangle. What is the area of the square? What is the area of the square? Nana, area of the square is nothing but what Nana? A square. And if you want A, if you know A, then it is easy to find out square area na. Nana, if you know A or if you know L also, answer is possible because L is equal to A na. Now see the first statement. The difference between the area of the rectangle and the area of the square. Area of the rectangle is nothing but what? LB. Minus area of the square is nothing but what? A square. That is equal to. Is it possible by using only first statement? Is it possible Anna? No. Because we don't know area of the square. We don't know A. We don't know L. Next Anna. Second statement. Now see the only second statement. The difference between the perimeter of the square and that of the rectangle. Perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square is what? 4a. Perimeter of the rectangle is 2 times of L plus B. That is equal to what? 8. Nana, here equation number 1. This is equation number 2. How many variables are there? 3 or 2 ah? 2 only, not 3. మీరు ఏమనుకుంటున్నారంటే L, A, B 3 ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటున్నారు. Because L is equal to A na. Are you clear Nana? And how many variables now tell me? 2 or 3? 2 variables are there. 2 equations are there na. Number of variables is equal to number of equations is nothing but answer is possible or not? Answer is possible or not? So now your answer is what? Both are required. Both are like that. Which option is there? Fifth one. Are you ready? Shall I go for the next question? The maximum marks for each subject is what Nana? Ever maatradla? 150. Each subject marks are 150 only. So no need to find out the marks Nana. They give percentage of mark. So no need to calculate the marks. Wherever it is required, in that case we have to find out. Are you clear Nana? Straight away we have to move to the questions. First question. Marks scored by C in science. Nana, C in science is what? 30%. Is what percentage of total marks obtained by D? And total marks obtained by D is nothing but 120 na. 30 is how much percentage of? 30 by 120. 1 by 4 is? 1 by 4 is? Sir, why you are not converting into marks, sir? Convert chesko. 30% of 150, 120% of 150. ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి చెయ్యి, అదే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. నేనేం చేశానంటే 150కి 150 క్యాన్సిల్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి నో నీడ్ టు కన్సిడర్. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? కొంతమంది 30% ఆఫ్ 150, 45, 120% ఆఫ్ 150. 20% అంటే 100% 150, 20% 30, 30 plus 150 180, 45 by 180 into 100 సాధిస్తారు చివరికి. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? గాంధీ ఓకే కదా? వెరీ గుడ్. నువ్వు డల్గా ఉంటే కుదరదు గాంధీ, నువ్వు యాక్టివ్గా ఉండాలి. అది అయినా పర్లేదు, నేను ఉన్నాను కదా. అది లుక్ ఎట్ హియర్ నానా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద మార్క్స్ అబ్టైన్డ్ బై ఏ ఇన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ and the marks obtained by C in English? Nana, marks obtained by A in mathematics 75, C in English 50. Difference is 25% na. 25% of 150 marks. Nana, 25% ante 2 times half na. 150 half, 75 half, 37 and half. ఇప్పుడు కావాల్సింది కాబట్టి కనుక్కున్నా. ఓకేనా? ఆర్ యు రెడీ? What is the average marks secured in English by all the 4 students? English nana. First of all, total it is how much? 150% na. 150% of 150 na. 150% of 150 na. 150% of 150 is nothing but 225 na. 225 na. But they are asking average by 4 na. By 4. How much na? 62 point, not 62, 50, 56.25. 456 times 224. Are you clear, Nana? Next one. Last question only, Nana. What is the total marks scored by A and B together? Nana, A and B together total marks. Total marks kada? Percentage add cheyana total. 65, 75, 140, 140 plus 30, 170, 170 plus 50, 220, 250, 290. So 290% of 150. Or 150% of 150% of 290 na? 100% 290 na? 50% 145 na. 145 plus 290. Are you clear, Nana? So A percentage of B is equal to B percentage of A na. Shall I go for the next question? What is the respective ratio of the total marks scored by A to that of C? A to that of C. Total marks na. Already A we find out na. 170% na. B we already find out na. 120 na. 170 is to C na. Okay, C. Okay. C. C and 10 వస్తుంది, 110 వస్తుంది. 110. 170 is to, so your answer is, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళీ మార్క్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందా? ఎప్పుడైనా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, whenever they are asking ratio or whenever they are asking percentage, no need to go for the unit conversion. Remember this point. Are you clear, Nana? Next one, 71. 225 na. 225 is which square? 13 square na. 144 na. 12 into 4. 12 into 4 minus 63 is equal to x. Now tell me, Nana, 63 plus 48. 111 na. If we cut 111, 50, 58 plus 15. Are you clear, Nana? Are you ready? Numerator 56 na. Denominator 10 na. 12 by into 6 by 12 sevens are na. 7 8s are na. 8 6 is 48 by 50 is nothing but 1. మీరు సింప్లిఫికేషన్ చెప్పేటప్పుడు రాసుకోవద్దు, మా పెన్ను పెట్టేటప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ అయిపోద్ది. ఓకేనా? చూస్తూ ఉండాలి అంతే, సార్ ఎలా అటాక్ చేస్తున్నాడు అని చూస్తూ ఉండాలి, మీరు ఆ విధంగా అటాక్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? క్లియర్ కదా? నువ్వు అక్కడ పెన్ను పెట్టేలోపు నాకు ఇది తెచ్చేసరికి ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ పోతాను నేను. అలా క్లియర్నా? అందుకని చూస్తూ ఉండండి, సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్ వరకు చూస్తూ ఉండండి, రాసుకోవద్దు. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న 3 square 23 ప్లస్ 288. Nana, this is into 2 na, 150 into 2 300 na, this is 288 na, remainder will be minus 12 na, minus 12 plus 23 plus 11 na, 11 plus 9, your answer is 20. Cutting అనేది బాగా వచ్చుండాలి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ కట్ చేసేయడమే. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న చెప్పాలి నువ్వు 49 నా, దట్ ఈస్ 14 is 7 square na, square whole power 1/2 get cancel na, 7 na, 7 into నాకు తెలుసు 79 అండి 60. దిస్ ఈజ్ 110 నా, 110 మైనస్ ఐ నో నాట్ 37 47, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ 100, దట్ ఈస్ 110 నా. ఫ్లోలో కూడా మీరు మిస్టేక్ చేస్తారని 37 కూడా ఇచ్చిండు నానా. దట్ ఈస్ 2 cube నా, 2 cube నా, క్యూబ్ హోల్ పవర్ 1/3 గెట్ క్యాన్సల్ నా, దట్ ఈస్ 2 నా, 9 square 3 square na, into 3 na. Next that one comes to this side 47 minus 49 nana, 49 47, this is 6 na, remainder will be 4. X square is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. చెప్పండి అన్న, డేటా చెప్పండి ఫాస్ట్గా. 2017 to 18 A B C D F, A B C D E F. 17 18 18 19 they given. If it is required we go for total. 17 18 18 19, if it we required we go for total. Tell me on fast. Each part is 20. A 440, 820, 360, గట్టిగా చెప్పాలి, 780, 280, 520, 680, 420, 720, 320, 480, 5 ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? 540 ఏనా? నమ్మొచ్చు కదా అన్ని వాల్యూస్. మీరు చెప్పిన వాల్యూస్ ఆన్సర్స్ రాకపోతే మీదే డ్యూటీ. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ అన్న, బై వాట్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఈ సేల్స్ టర్న్ ఓవర్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ ఏ ఇన్ 2018-19 మోర్ దెన్ ద సేల్స్ టర్న్ ఓవర్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీ డి 2017-18? అన్న ఏ 2018-19 820 నా, కంపేర్డ్ విత్ డి హౌ మచ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఈస్ దేర్? 140 by 680. 10% is 68, 20% is 136, and our answer is more than 20. It's very closer to 20. Are you clear, Nana? 20% is 136. We need 140. Nana, accurate ga cheyakudadu Nana. Into 100 AC 2 table 3 table anakudadu. Aa step ochindante immediate ga answer pick cheyali. Are you clear, Nana? So we need that grabbing skills. ఆ ప్రిడిక్షన్ స్కిల్స్ అనేది మీకు రావాలి. నెక్స్ట్ అన్న, వాట్ ఈస్ ద రెస్పెక్టివ్ రేషియో బిట్వీన్ టోటల్ సేల్స్ టర్న్ ఓవర్ ఆఫ్ కంపెనీస్ ఏబిసి టుగెదర్? ఏబిసి టుగెదర్ ఇన్ 17-18. ఏబిసి టుగెదర్ అంటే ఇవే కదన్నా, 440 360 800 plus 280 1080 ఈజ్ టు డిఎఫ్ 18-19. డిఎఫ్ హౌ మచ్ అన్నా? 12 నమ్మొచ్చా? 7 12, yes 1280. 0 get cancel. 4 table na, yes 4 how many times na? 4 27 times, 4 32 times. Shall I go for the next question? Which are the companies has shown maximum percentage of difference sales turnover from 2017-18 to 18-19. నాన్న ఒకసారి మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా గమనిస్తే మాక్సిమం ఏ యొక్క కంపెనీ అంటున్నాడు చూడండి నాన్న 17-18 to 18-19. చాలా మంది కంపారిజన్ చేస్తారు డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని 440 వేసి సర్కస్ చేస్తారు, అవసరం లేదు. 440 హౌ మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇది? లెస్ దాన్ 2 టైమ్స్ నా? ఎవరు మాట్లాడలే. 440 2 టైమ్స్ అంటే 880, బట్ లెస్ దాన్ 2 టైమ్స్ నా? 360 more than 2 times na? This is less than 2 times, this is more than 2 times na? 280 how many times? Less than 2 times na? 680 how many times? Less than 1 time na? 720 less than 1 time na? Less than 1 time, sorry 2 times. Where it is greater than 2 times? B. Your answer is B. అంతేగాని డిఫరెన్స్ తీసుకొని ఇంటూ 100 వేసి కొంతమంది కంపారిజన్ చేస్తారు, అప్పుడు డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు బీ ఎక్స్ట్రా అని. అవసరం లేదు, చూస్తూనే చెప్పొచ్చు ఎనీ టైమ్స్ అనేది. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? వాట్ ఈస్ ద అప్రాక్సిమేట్ డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద యావరేజ్ సేల్స్? వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? Come fast. Very good. Nala, look at here. What is the approximate difference between the average sales turnover all the companies put together? Nana, all companies 17-18 add cheyandi, average tiyandi. 18-19 average. They are asking difference. Calculate chesaru kada. Next Nana, what is the percentage change in the sales turnover of the 6 companies together 17-18, 18-19? Already మనం previous question లో total add చేసి ఉంటాం. ఆ పర్సంటేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడమే. ఈ టోటల్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ చేసి ఉంటాం కదా, ఈ టోటల్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఉంటాం కదా. దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ పర్సంటేజ్ డిఫరెన్స్ బై ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూ ఇంటూ 100. ఆర్ యూ క్లియర్ నానా? థ్యాంక్ యూ.